Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to set smart goals and actually achieve them. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So if you want to achieve your goal, then this video is for you. Stick with me till the end so that you can learn all the steps that are involved in setting smart goals and achieving them. If you're new here, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Without wasting any more time, let us get started with today's video. Now, the first thing we need to understand is what is a SMART goal. Setting SMART goals gives clarity to your vision, gives you a clear path that you need to follow in order to achieve your dream. If you don't have a clear understanding of where you want to go, then no matter how hard you work, you are not going to be successful. SMART goals give you that direction. So now you might be wondering, what does SMART stand for? It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's understand each one of them. So the first one is specific. You need to be specific about what you want. Vague goals lead to vague results. If you have a vague goal, then it would be difficult for you to figure out your next step. This will lead to procrastination, and eventually you will give up on your dreams. You need to be specific about what you want. For example, if you say, I want to lose weight, this is a vague goal. But if you say, I want to lose 10 kgs in the next 3 months, this is a specific goal. When you become specific about your goals, you are telling your mind exactly what you want. This makes it easier for your brain to start working on it. Now, the second principle is measurable. How will you know if you have achieved your goal if you do and have a way to measure it? So you should always define a metric by which you can measure your progress. This metric should tell you if you are on the right track or not. For example, if your goal was to lose 10 kgs in the next 3 months, then you can measure your progress every week by weighing yourself. By doing this, you will know if you are losing weight or not. If you are not losing weight, then you can take corrective measures. The third principle is achievable. We always need to keep our feet on the ground. You should never set an unrealistic goal, because this will demotivate you. If your goal is not achievable, then there is no point in even setting it. Always keep your feet on the ground. If you want to set a challenging goal, then it should be just beyond your current level of difficulty. For example, if you have never run before in your life, then it would be really difficult for you to run a marathon. So don't set such goals. Start small and slowly work your way up. The fourth principle is relevance. Your goal should be relevant to your overall vision. It should align with your values and your reason for doing things. If your goal does not align with your values, then you won't be motivated to work on it. For example, if you value your health, but you set a goal to lose 20 kgs in a month by skipping meals and only eating junk food, then this goal is not relevant to your values. Aligning your goals with your values makes it easier to stick to your goals and ultimately achieve them. The last principle is time-bound. Having a deadline helps you focus and get things done quickly. If you don't have a deadline, then you will keep postponing your goals. Also, when you set a deadline, you have a clear target that you need to hit. This makes it easier to measure your progress. For example, if you want to lose weight, then set a deadline for it. Say you want to lose 10 kgs in the next 3 months. This will help you stay focused and achieve your goal faster. Now you might be wondering, what will happen if my goal is not achievable? Or if it does not align with my values? Or if I do and have a deadline? Well, nothing will happen if you set an unrealistic goal. You will either fail to achieve it, or you will give up on it halfway. The same thing happens if your goal is not relevant to your values. You will feel unmotivated, and again, give up on your goal. And if your goal is not time-bound, then you will keep postponing it, and it will never get completed. That is why it is very important to set SMART goals. Now let me share an example with you. Suppose you want to become a successful entrepreneur. Now this is a great goal, but it is not SMART. Let's make it SMART. To do that, we'll use the 5 principles that we learned earlier. First, let's make it specific. You could say, I want to start a successful online business that generates $10,000 per month. Now this is a specific goal. You have clearly defined what you want. Next, let's make it measurable. You could say, I will measure the success of my business by the amount of profit I am making. For example, if I make a profit of more than $1,000 per month, then my business is successful. Next, let's make it achievable. Starting an online business is not very difficult. You can do it within a few months. So this goal is achievable. Next, let's make it relevant. If you are passionate about business and you want to be financially independent, then this goal is relevant to you. Lastly, let's make it time-bound. You could say, I will achieve this goal in the next 12 months. So now you have a SMART goal. You have a clear target that you need to hit. This will help you stay focused and achieve your goal faster. Now let me share a bonus tip with you. Always write down your goals. Writing down your goals has been proven to increase your chances of achieving them by 42%. So always write down your goals and review them regularly. Now you might be wondering, how can I stay motivated to achieve my goals? For that, you need to watch this video. In this video, I have shared 6 ways to stay motivated. These tips will help you stay motivated and achieve your goals. Make sure to watch this video after this one. Now, let's summarize the key points that we have discussed in this video. No. 1. Setting SMART goals gives you clarity of direction. It tells you exactly what you want and how you can achieve it. Number 2. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So if you want to achieve your goal, then make sure to follow the 5 principles of SMART goals. They are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Number 3. If your goal is not achievable, then there is no point in even setting it. How? So always set realistic goals that are just beyond your current level of difficulty. Number 4. Your goal should be relevant to your overall vision. It should align with your values and your reason for doing things. And number 5, having a deadline helps you focus and get things done quickly. So always set a deadline for your goals. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please hit the like button below the video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on. This will ensure that you will never miss out on any future updates from this channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.